Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the Centenary Jubilee celebration of Chutwakhu locality in the West Jaintia Hills district today. Deputy Chief Minister Sngau Bahalang Dhar, along with MLAs Wailat Miki Shilla and Lakman Rumbui, were also present at the event. Recognizing the significant contribution of the founding leaders of Chutwakhu, Sangma extended his congratulations to Dorbar Chnong of Chutwakhu for reaching the remarkable milestone of 100 years. He expressed his excitement about the upcoming Meghalaya Games in July, describing it as a historic moment for West Jaintia Hills.
We have always made sure that the games must rotate to different parts of the state and not be confined to one particular location. Because we want infrastructure in sports to develop everywhere. Because we want the youth of those areas and regions to be excited about the games, participate in the games, and maybe win medals also in the games.